Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Garcello from Friday Night Funkin. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing his hat. Draw a curved line across the top here. Now draw a curve on the left end. Come in a little bit and then draw a longer curve. Now connect the two lines across at the top. Now draw a curve across for the top of the hat. And then a line down on the right to close it off. Next, along the bottom edge, draw lines across for the border. Now let's draw the brim of the hat. From the line on the left, draw a diagonal line down to the right. And then continue the curve of the hat over to the right here. Now connect the two lines at the bottom. Next, under the brim of the hat on the right, draw a line down on a slight angle and then out. Then from the left side of the brim, draw a small curve down. And then an angled line inwards. Do the same thing on the right with a short line. Then connect them at the bottom. Now color this section in black. Next, let's draw his hair. From the bottom left of the shadow section, draw a curve across to the left. And then an S curve down. And then hop back to the hat and draw a curve down here. Now draw two more curved pointed sections of hair. And then one more line to close it off. Next, before we finish off the face, let's start drawing part of the cigarette first. Draw a small curve here. Then from the bottom, draw a short line out to the right. And a longer line out from the top. Let's finish off the face now. Draw a curved line down. Then continue this line under the cigarette. Now continue it over to the hair to close off the face. Next, let's start drawing his jacket. From under his face, draw a small curve. And then a line downwards. Now draw the jacket collar with a bent line down here. Then leave a gap and a short line under it. Now draw the other side of the jacket here in a similar way. Then from the bottom of both lines, draw lines down slightly angled to the left. Let's draw the top of the shirt now with a curve across the opening at the top. And then another curve at the bottom for the bottom of his shirt. Draw the right side of the jacket now with a line down. And then 2 curves down and outwards at the bottom. And add 1 more curved line to close off the bottom of the jacket. Let's draw the left side now. From his hair, draw an angled line down for the shoulder. And now draw the collar here like this. Next, start from under the collar and draw a curve down for the inside of the arm. And then an angled line inwards. Now draw a large V shape for the outside of the arm. At the end, draw a curve for the pocket. And add short lines at the ends. Lastly, for the arm, draw a V shape here for the folds. Then finish off the jacket like this. Let's draw his other arm now and finish off the cigarette. From the right side here by the collar, draw a curve outwards. Now a line up on the right side. Next, draw 2 bent fingers on the left. And add 1 more finger up towards the cigarette line we drew earlier. Next, finish drawing the cigarette. and add a small curve inside. Next, add the last finger here like this. And draw some lines across each finger for the gloves. Let's finish off the arm now. Draw a curve down on the right. And then follow that same curve across for the end of the sleeve. Next, from the right side, draw a curve down and back into his side for the rest of the arm. Let's draw the pants next. In the middle here, draw a small curve. And then a line down like this. Next, draw an angle line down on the left side. And then a curved zigzag under it. Now close off the bottom of the pants like this. Now follow that same outside curve on the left here. Next, draw the other leg in a similar way. Lastly, let's draw the feet. On the left, draw a line down. Then a curve down on the right, and add a short vertical line under it. Next, from the bend of the line, draw a curve across slightly higher than the bottom of the line. Then add bumps across the bottom to close it off. Now do the same thing for the other foot here. And that's it for Garcello. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.